I am Ed Turner, and I've been a member for around 37 years.
And I'm Dave Tesney. I'm a mortgage loan officer at Greylock Federal Credit Union.
I had paid off my mortgage, but my house was in ill repair. So before I retired, I wanted to get the outside of the house buttoned up. Initially coming in, I thought I was just going to get a home equity loan. The loan officers took the time to understand my needs, said, yeah, we have a product that would work better than what you were thinking. This made much more sense.
The home equity line of credit is a revolving line of credit that uses your home as collateral, and you can use it as you need to.
I've gotten a chimney removed, a roof replaced, siding, windows, doors. I mean, my house is pretty much buttoned up. Working with Dave was really good. It was exceptional.
We had a good time. We still do, so, as you can tell.
Yeah, I mean, on top of the business end of it, which worked very well, he's also very personable and we get along well.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to become friends with one of the borrowers. It's not typically how it goes, right? But Ed being Ed, it's just naturally occurred that way, I think.
I'm taking woodworking classes. One of the assignments I had was to take a piece of wood that was being disposed and make something of value and give it to somebody with no expectation.
And I opened it up and I was ecstatic. It was the most beautiful handmade thing I've seen. Very much appreciated it.
Sweet.